Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trendalore. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how your facial exfoliating brush can be causing more harm to your skin than you think. Yes, facial exfoliating brushes are meant to exfoliate the skin, the facial skin. They are actually softer exfoliators that helps to maintain the glow of the skin, that are meant to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells, that are supposed to keep the face very, very clean, be it this one, or whichever facial exfoliant you are using. But yes, instead of keeping your face clean and giving you that glow, they might be causing harm to your skin. And that is depending on how you are using it. These things, like I said, are supposed to help cleanse the face, give you a glow. If you have been using this, trust me, you will know that yes, your face is always going to have that glow because they clean the skin very, very well. This one I really don't advise for face because it's really hard. But this, yes, I love this because you can control this to whatever way you want, and then it's very soft on the skin. And then there are some silicone as well. When you hear of exfoliation brush, the first thing that comes to your mind is, oh, yeah, it's going to remove the dead cells, it's going to cleanse my skin, it's going to help me with my acne, with my pimples, with my hyperpigmentation and all that. Yes, they are meant to do that because when you have a very clear skin or a clean skin, it's hard to get pimples on the face. But what if you're not using this very well? Like this now, I just used it. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, it's bringing out water because I just used it. But now I'm going to tell you the best way you can use this product that or any facial exfoliating brush that you have that it will not give you problem. If you notice you've been using this, because I did get a complaint or I got some people asking me questions about exfoliating brush that gives them pimples. And now I'm going to tell you guys the reason why you are experiencing that. It's not like your face is not glowing or anything, but it's just giving you pimples, dark spots and all. So let me tell you guys how to use this properly. It's not just by using it every day, picking it up. No, there are ways you can use any exfoliating brush that you have for your face, especially for your face. So before you use this, like for me, I'm going to talk about me and tell you guys how I do my own. So before I use this brush, this exfoliating brush, before I use it, like today now I've used it, okay? I've used it and you can see it's still wet. I'm going to keep it and let it dry. The next day, I'm going to use it. Before I use it, I boil hot water. It should not be like boiled hot water. It should not be like boiled water. It should just be hot, like maybe warm, okay? So not really warm, warm, but I don't understand how to put it, but let it be hot, but not too hot. Exactly. And I put this in. I put it in, and then I add just a drop of Dettol. Most people tend to react to Dettol soap and Dettol, which is fine. You don't need to add it. Just put it in hot water and just leave it for like a minute and shake, shake, shake before you use. Thereby, you're tending to kill germs that are already on it. There are germs in the air. So obviously, it's already getting into this. And especially when it's wet and you just drop it, there are bacteria, there are germs everywhere. So it's going to enter it. And when you're using it for your face, it's opening your pores, it's cleaning, you're putting that bacteria in there, especially when you're not using an antibacterial facial wash. But if you're using an antibacterial facial wash, it can help. After cleansing doing brushing your face or exfoliating your face, you have to like cleanse your face. But if you're not using antibacterial facial wash or you're not cleansing your face after this, you just go every day, you pick this, or you just rinse this one and then you pick it the next day and then use, you're going to have pimples. Like I've tried it, and when people were telling me this, I knew because I too experienced it before I knew, okay, this is how to use it. So if you try this way, you will notice. So use it this way and then you will not have problem. Okay, it's going to be perfect for you. Just try doing it this way I've talked about. Thank you guys so much and welcome to the new to the old subscribers. And if you're just seeing me or seeing my face for the first time, hi, this is Trend Allure. It's a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle tips. So feel free to check out our previous videos and I'm sure you're going to see something you love in there. Whilst you're doing that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, I love you all and I will see you guys in my next video.